All right. Jam of the week. So this week I took a little snippet from a song called Big. I'm sure you heard of it. If you haven't, you can look it up. Big is by it's that who is Big by? Big is by the same people that did the anthem. If anybody knows who Big is by, I forgot who it's by. If you know, let me know in the comments, okay? So I don't want to get too deep into it. That's not the point. So this is Jam of the Week. I took a little snippet from Big. This is upbeat. It's really fun. So let's. I'm gonna show you how it is, and then I'm gonna break it down, and then I just want you to have a ton of fun with it. All right. So let's do it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and. All right, so that's it. That's the whole thing. So we are in the key of C sharp. So what we doing is C sharp. We're using the C sharp major scale. Okay. So left hand. All right. E flat, which is 2, and then we're gonna go. So the whole bass line is this. That's the whole bass line. That's the whole left hand. I'll show you the other thing in a second. So it's 2, which is E flat. Okay. F, which is 3. And then 4, which is F sharp. And then A flat, which is 5. And then B flat, which is B. Then back to A flat, which is 5, and then F sharp, which is 4. All right, so that's the whole thing. I'm gonna do it slow. Okay, so that little thing I was doing, that little bouncy thing, all I was doing was playing the octave. So on that 2, I just played the octave. So a lot of times I use my ring finger and my thumb. So I was doing that the whole time with each note. This is not a common thing. I'm just doing it for fun, just for a little jam. That's all. This is not a technique that you have to grasp, because this is not a common piano thing. But it's good for when you're playing by yourself and you don't have a bass player. Now, if you had a bass player in this instance, what you would do is the right hand that I'm about to show you, you just double that up, okay? Until we dive into more left hand chording. And then 5. So that's all it is. Oh, that other little thing I did to loop back around, I went to the 1, and then I went up, sharp 1, 2, so C sharp, D, E flat. There's a little bit of finesse with that little thing. Bum, boom, bum. C sharp, D, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat. Okay. All right. So that's the left hand. So let's go with the right hand real quick. Right hand, we got. So we're doing the F sharp major 7th. Okay. So F sharp major chord, F sharp, B, C sharp, and then you just add the 7th, but we're gonna put the 7th up top. So we're gonna put the 7th on F up top, which instead of right here. So if you don't fully understand this concept just yet, don't worry about it. Just learn the notes and the chords just for this jam. And I just want this jam to get you going. That's all I want. After you learn your notes, I just want this to get you going, okay? So F sharp, B flat, C sharp. You're gonna play this on the E flat bass, which is 2, okay? All right. So on 3, that's real easy. A flat major chord, 2nd inversion. So all it is E flat, A flat, C. Okay. All right. And then on 4, we're gonna play a quartal chord, and that's just basically a chord with 4 notes in between each note. So this is E flat, A flat, C sharp. That's gonna be on 4, which is F sharp. So E flat, A, C sharp. Okay. So then we're gonna go back to that A flat chord on A flat, which is 5. E flat, A flat, C. E flat, A flat, C on A flat, which is 5. Okay. And then this is the last chord. This is the last individual, I guess, unique chord, I would say, because after that we're going to play a couple of chords that repeat again. So on 6, but what I'm basically doing, I'm playing the B flat minor chord, the 2nd inversion. So F, B flat, C sharp. If you want to, you can add the 9. I'll explain this in a whole nother training, okay? So don't, like I said, just don't worry too deep into this. Just get it down. So you could play the B flat minor chord, or you could play the B flat minor chord and add the 9. Don't let the 9 confuse you. Just play it, or if you don't feel comfortable, we'll worry about it later. All right. F, B flat, C sharp. If you want to add the 9, that's 6. That's C. All right. So, and then we go back to 5. You play that A flat chord again. E flat, A flat, C. And then we go to 4. On 4, we're basically gonna play the F major chord, F sharp major chord. And then that's C sharp, F sharp, B flat, the 2nd inversion. And with that, you can add the A flat, or you don't have to. So that's the whole thing. After that 4, that's when you go back to the 2, and you can do that little thing on the left hand. So that's what it is. So make sure you get the download, and it'll be nice and broken down, nice and simple. And let me know what you think about this week's jam of the week.